Another day, another technique in Photoshop. Today we are going to create a calling card for Cristiano Ronaldo, like this. The first part, we need to create the background. Please come here and select this icon. And now you can choose solid color, gradient, or pattern. But now I'm going to use a gradient. In gradient, you can choose anything that you want. But today I'm going to use one of the gradients in blues folder. And I will click on this. This one is okay. The style should be linear and angle should be changed. 120 degree is okay. Scale 100% and the following options are like this. Press OK. Step number 2. Creating some shapes. Enable the rectangular tool and create some shapes. One like this. Another one like this. And the main one for locating the picture of face, and now another one for giving it more design, and another one for locating the Cristiano Ronaldo text, and now another one, and it should be enough. Step number 3. Let's change the shapes. First, please rasterize all the shapes layers. Right-click and rasterize them. Now we need to relocate them. At first, we are going to do this one. Now we need to rotate it. Press Ctrl and T together. Click, hold Shift on your keyboard and rotate it precisely to 30 degrees. Okay. Now here is okay. Now we need to crop the unwanted parts. For that, enable the marquee tool and select and press Delete on your keyboard. It's done. I will do them all and I will do it very quick to save your time. Okay, it's done.
A few moments later.
Step number 4. Let's give some effect to our shapes. We need to divide our shapes into 2 groups. One of them would be in black color and the other group would be in white. Select this one, press Ctrl and G together and create a new group. This one should be moved. This one should be moved. And this one should be moved. Okay. This group is white color. The rest should create another group. Press Ctrl and G and now changing the name to black. Now we need to change the color of all layers that are in white folder. Press and select the white folder. Press on FX and enable color overlay. Blend mode should be normal and opacity 100% and the color should be white. Press OK. Remember, you can change the effect of the shapes as you please. You can give them gradient, pattern, or solid color. It's up to you. Now we need to bring the white folder up. It's done. Step number 6. Applying our images into project. At first, we need to import the Cristiano Ronaldo's face. This photo is okay. Now we need to remove the background. Select your layer, press on Select menu, and choose Subject. Wait for process to get done. Now it's finished and press on this icon. Now the background is removed. We need to import this image into our project. Click and drag this one and import it. Now we need to change the size. Press Ctrl and T together. Now zoom out and change the size. Zoom in. Okay. This one is good, but we need to relocate our shape. The main shape should be changed and located here. And this one should be changed too. Now it's okay. Now let's import our second image, the figure of Cristiano. This picture is the one that I will use in this tutorial. We need to remove the background from this one again. Make a select of your layer, press on Select menu, and choose Subject. Now press on Add a Layer Mask. As you can see, the hand is not good and we need to do something. Press on your layer mask, enable the brush, and now we can correct this mistake. Now it's okay. We need to import this image into our project. And it can be located here. Now we need to import the last image, the Cr7 logo. It's this one. Press on your layer and make it selected. Go to Select option and choose Subject. Okay. Click on Adding a Layer Mask. It's done. Let's import it to our project. And now we need to resize it. Press Ctrl and T together and resize it. Okay, this one is good. Make a selection of the first one, Ronaldo's face. Right-click, convert it to a smart object, right-click again, and rasterize it. Now, we need to apply the Ronaldo's face into this black shape. Click on the shape to make a selection of it. Press and hold Ctrl and click on Thumbnail. Now the shape is selected. Go to Select and click on Inverse. Now select the Ronaldo's face layer. And enable the eraser and delete all unwanted parts. Press Ctrl and D for deselecting. Now we need to relocate the champion's figure. Click and change the position. Here is okay. Now we need to do something about the shoes. Zoom in and now create a new layer. Press on this one and take it below the figure layer. Enable the brush and click on this icon. Change the roundness to something like 15 degree and size should be increased to something like 300 and the hardness should be 0%. Let's reduce the size of the brush. Okay, now we need to change the angle again. Click on this icon and change the angle to something like 21 degrees is okay, and click. Now the figure is done. The last part of applying the images, we need to import the Cr7 logo into this area. At first, we need to change the color to white. Right-click, convert to a smart object, and click on FX, and click on Color Overlay. Blend mode should be normal, opacity 100%, and the color should be white. Press OK, OK. Press Ctrl and T together, and now rotate it and change the size. Okay, this step is done. Step number 7, the last step. Let's create some text. At first, click on text and click on your project and type whatever you want. Press Ctrl and T, hold Shift and rotate. Here is okay. Now we need to change it. Now it's okay. Let's change the location of this shape. Here is better. And now let's type something. In here, change the color to white. Press Ctrl and T together. Right-click and here it is. Good job! The tutorial is done. Another day, another technique in Photoshop Clan. I will show you the final result, but please, at first make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and say your opinion about this tutorial in comments. See you soon.